How to deposit a check on Moneyline. Alright, let's get straight into it. Today, I will walk you through the simple steps to deposit a check using the Moneyline app. This feature makes it super easy to manage your finances without making to visit a bank. First things first, make sure you have the Moneyline app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't already, sign up and log into your account. Let me open my app. Once you're inside, tap on the center bank icon. Over here, tap on it and go to Roar Money Banking page. You can see Roar Money Banking over here. Simply tap on it. I have just recently installed this app and unfortunately I'm not from the US, so I wouldn't be able to show you the rest process. However, I'll be guide you through the process. Now what you have to do is simply tap on Get Roar Money over here and fill your birthday and your mobile number over here. Then you have to tap on this checkbox over here and agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy. Then you will get a verification code. Simply put the verification code on where it was intended. Then your Roar Money account will be activated. After that, again go to Roar Money Banking page, tap on Add button and select See More option. Then choose Add a check. After that, select Scan check and then Cash a check. After that, take a photo of the front and back of the check, ensuring the back is endorsed with your signature. Then confirm or correct the check amount displayed in the app and tap on Next. Then you will be provided the prompts. Follow the prompts to choose how you want your funds delivered and submit the check for the review. After approval, you may be asked to write a void on the check and submit a photo of it. Once confirmed, the funds will be sent to your Roar Money account. And that's it. You have successfully deposited a check using Moneyline. It's fast, easy and convenient. Don't forget to keep your physical check until the deposit is fully processed, just in case. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.